Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Balmain sunglasses model BPS-126C. The color of the frame is blue. And these glasses are a round shape. The frame is made out of titanium. On sample you'll find the Balmain B emblem in silver, and the Balmain logo in silver as well. This is the inside of the frame, and on its nose pads is the Balmain logo in silver. And this is what you see when wearing the frame. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the model name, the model number, and color code that it's made in Japan. And on its inner left temple is the Balmain Paris logo and the dimensions of the frame. 51 is for its lens, 20 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with the Balmain gift box, a Balmain case with the Balmain B on the case, and inside is the Balmain Paris logo in gold. A Balmain Paris cleaning cloth, a Balmain Paris booklet, 2 Balmain Paris authenticity cards, and this one is metal, and a Balmain dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.